Welcome to Onemaker Studio. Today, we've got something exciting for all you mobile enthusiasts. And in this short video, I am going to show you a super easy way to create a text audio visualizer right on your Android or iPhone online without any software. With that said, let's start. First, open your browser and type onemaker.io. As you all know, Onemaker.io offers a variety of products, including music visualizer, motion cover, Spotify canvas, podcast audiogram, and branding. You'll find plenty of excellent templates in each category. For making audio text visualizer, which we are going to make today, we'll click on Music Visualizer. Here comes the Music Visualizer page. We'll scroll down to find the desired template. And here comes that audio text visualizer. We'll click on this template, and here comes the editor page. Here we can change images, text, even we can upload our own artwork to personalize the design. Play around with different elements until you're satisfied with the overall look. First, I'll change the text. I'll change the author's name to Rockers. Here you can change the colors and font as well. For that, you need to click on this drop-down list. Though I'll go with the default font and the default color. Now I'll change the song name to Retro Beat here. Also, I can change the font and color with this drop-down list. I'll go with the default option. It will generate a preview and it looks good to me. Now, if you want to change the background of this audio visualizer, you need to click here on Upload Background. Here you can choose any of your desired image or the video from your phone storage up to 100 megabytes. And also there are plenty of options of motion posters. These are AI-generated motion covers, and these image artwork are also AI-generated images. You can choose any of the artwork from here or from the motion cover. I'm going to choose one from the motion poster. I'll choose this one. It looks good to me. Now click on the advanced setting. Here you can upload the audio for which you are making this audio visualizer. For that, you need to click on Upload Audio and choose the music. Click on OK. As you can see, audio action has been completed. Since these templates are highly customizable, you can alter even the smallest elements like the waveform, color, shadow, and progress bar to better fit the style or the theme of your motion poster or image. I'll change the second color of the waveform to match the theme of this template. It has generated the preview, and I like it. Now select the video format. I'll definitely go with 9:16 because this is for the mobile phone. After completing everything, click on Export Update Video, adjust the path for the preview for 20 seconds wherever the music beats are suitable, and click on Save and Make Video. It will take few seconds to render. Here comes the video preview. I like it. If you don't like the preview, you can go back to Edit. And if you like the preview, you can click on Make Full-Length HD Video. When you click the Make Full HD button, a sign-up window will appear. Once you log in, you'll receive your full HD video in a short amount of time. You can create an account for 7 days free trial. You can produce one watermark video every day during your free trial time. Additionally, for $1.99, you can get a lifetime plan where you only need to pay once and enjoy Onemaker services forever. This is an incredible deal that you won't want to miss out on. There you have it, a fantastic text audio visualizer created right from your Android or iPhone using Onemaker.io. Now you can download your full video to your mobile and share your creation with the world. Post on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want some more easy-to-follow editing tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.